Today we are going to walk you through the NutriMill Vacuum Blender attachment for your Bosch Universal Classic and Bosch Universal Plus stand mixers. This is a really unique attachment. It uses a vacuum seal to remove air from the jar before blending, which helps preserve nutrients, reduce oxidation, and give you a smoother blend. We will cover what is in the box, how to assemble and use it, how the vacuum feature works, and how to clean and store it properly. Let's get into it. Let's go through everything that comes with the vacuum blender. You have the blender jar, which has a 5-cup capacity. You have the lid, the inner lid insert, the handheld vacuum pump, and the blade assembly. Let's quickly go over what each part does. The jar is where your ingredients go. It holds up to 5 cups. The lid pushes onto the jar and must be fully seated before you turn the blender on. The inner lid insert rotates counterclockwise to lock onto the lid and is where the vacuum pump connects via the red seal. And the handheld vacuum pump is what you use to create the vacuum seal before blending. The blade assembly connects to the bottom of the jar and is what does the actual blending. Let's walk through how to assemble the vacuum blender. Step 1. Connect the blade assembly to the bottom of the blender jar. Make sure it is fully secured before attaching the jar to the mixer. For deep cleaning, you can remove the blade assembly by twisting it clockwise. Step 2. Add your ingredients to the jar. Step 3. Rotate the inner lid, insert counterclockwise to lock it onto the lid. Step 4. Push the lid firmly onto the jar. The lid must be fully and securely seated before the vacuum will work and before you turn the blender on. Step 5. Attach the blender jar to the high-speed drive port on the side of your Bosch mixer. Make sure it is locked in firmly. An important note, remember to move the motor drive cover from the high-speed drive to the high-torque drive before attaching the blender. Now let's talk about the vacuum feature. This is what makes this blender really special. Before turning the mixer on, you can use the handheld vacuum pump to remove air from the jar. This reduces oxidation while blending, which helps preserve the color, nutrients, and freshness of your ingredients. To use it, hold the handheld vacuum pump on the red seal on top of the inner lid and pump it using an up and down motion. The amount of vacuum you achieve depends on how many times you pump, as well as the volume of ingredients in the jar. The more you pump, the more air is removed. Turn on your mixer and blend as normal. When you are done blending and want to remove the lid, do not just pull it off. First, release the vacuum seal by pushing the red seal to the side. Once the seal is released, the lid will come off easily. It is worth mentioning that the vacuum feature is optional. You can absolutely use this blender without creating a vacuum seal. Simply assemble it, make sure the lid is securely on, attach it to your mixer, and blend as normal. The vacuum pump is there whenever you want it, but is not required for every use. Cleaning the vacuum blender is straightforward. The jar and lid are both dishwasher safe. The blade assembly must always be hand washed. Never put the blade assembly in the dishwasher. Wash it carefully under running water, being mindful of the sharp blades, and dry it thoroughly before reassembling. A quick tip is keep the red gasket on the inner lid clean at all times. Any residue on the gasket can prevent the vacuum from sealing properly during your next use. When storing the vacuum blender, make sure all parts are completely dry before putting them away. Store the handheld vacuum pump with the rest of the attachment so it is always easy to find. And that is everything you need to know about the NutriMill Vacuum Blender. This attachment is compatible with the Bosch Universal Classic and Bosch Universal Plus and is available at NutriMill.com. If you have any questions or need support, visit us at help.nutrimill.com or file a warranty claim at nutrimill.com/warranty. Thanks so much for watching and happy blending.